Jim, trying to find these pieces where Nelson can go, there was something that caught my ear, and it was at the beginning when he said he's not getting paid for his testimony, but ultimately, seems to want to be a part of this case. Is that a way the defense could jump in this and say, hey, this is a guy who maybe, wants the fame, wants the recognition of being a part of this?
Well, it could be if he was an unknown, but I mean, this guy not only wrote the book, but he wrote the Bible. So on breathing. So I think America is breathing a collective sigh of relief right now. Those of us who are following this trial, because you now have someone who has impeccable credentials, who is a teacher. I mean, I thought the prosecution was doing a good job with the use of force and the people in Minneapolis, but when it came to the use of force expert, he wasn't a teacher. He was answering leading questions. You now have a person on the stand who is not only opining to the cause of George Floyd's death in a compelling manner, but he's teaching us all about anatomy and how we breathe. And so, yeah, he could come at him in terms of motive, but what pure motive to say, I'm not getting paid. I'm just the guy who wrote the book, and I have this knowledge, and I want to share it in order for the jury to make the right decision here.
Well, if anybody hasn't seen what the doctor said earlier today, here's a quick sampling of that. Watch.
Could you first, Dr.